Are TikTok's viral gadgets actually game changers, or is it all just hype? Today, we're unboxing and testing the top trending TikTok gadgets to see if they really live up to the buzz. First up, there's the self-stirring mug. You've probably seen this one all over your For You page. Just press a button and your drink magically mixes itself. I tried it with coffee and, honestly, it's both fun and surprisingly practical. No more stirring sticks or spoons. Just press and go. It's a small gadget, but it totally delivers on convenience. Now let's talk about the LED phone light. It's everywhere, and it promises perfect lighting for your TikToks and selfies. I actually compared it to a couple of cheaper alternatives I found online, but none matched the LED's brightness and portability. It clips right onto your phone, and I noticed a real difference in my video quality, especially in low light. The third gadget I tested is the mini ring light tripod. This one's for all the creators out there. Unboxing was super easy, and it's compact enough to carry anywhere. Setting it up took less than a minute, and the adjustable brightness made my videos look way more professional. Whether you're filming dances or product reviews, it's a simple upgrade with a big impact. So, do these viral gadgets actually boost your social media game? Honestly, yes. Good lighting and unique accessories make your content stand out and boost engagement. But remember, gadgets can only take you so far. For real, sustainable growth, you need the right strategy. That's where MediaMister comes in. If you want to take your social media presence to the next level, check out MediaMister.com. They offer safe, reliable services to help you grow your following and get the most out of your content. No shortcuts, just real results.